Good morning, my learners. In our last lesson, we spoke about addition and subtraction of common fraction. So now I want us to deal with addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Now remember there are three types of fractions. We have proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Right, a mixed number is a fraction that has a whole number and a proper fraction. Now, there are two ways in how you can do it. You can convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction, or you can group. Now let's start with addition. So with the addition, I would advise you to do the grouping method, and then with the subtraction, I would advise you to do the method whereby you have to convert from a mixed number to improper. Let's get to it. Now we have 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 2/4. So group the whole numbers together, and then plus, and then group the fractions together. Now, from here, and then add the fraction, whole numbers. 2 plus 3 is a 5, plus 1/4 plus 2/4 is equal to 3/4. And then final answer, you just add the whole number and the fraction, then you get 5 and 3/4. This is your answer. Now, same thing, even if you have given denominators, you group, we have 3 plus 2 plus we have 2/3 plus 1/6 here. Right. Whole number is fine, you get 5 plus. But with the fraction now, you go back to what we're dealing with fraction with different denominators. The denominator is 3, it is 6. Remember, I said you cannot add fraction with different denominators. So you need to find the LCM of the two numbers. So you can do it in a separate paper. You say you find the multiples of 3, you find the multiples of 6, and then you get the LCM. Right. Multiples of 3, 6, 9. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18. LCM is 6. This 6 means change both denominators to be same as a 6. So check here, 6 in the second position. So we times by 2 times by 2. So now we get 4 out of 6 plus 1 out of 6. You now have same denominators. Now you can add. Your whole number will come back as it is, 5 plus, and then you add 4 plus the 1, it's 5, and then you write only 1. Remember what I said? I said you do not add your denominators. You do not subtract your denominators. So once you have same denominators, you write only one denominator and you add the numerators. And then now combine your whole number and a fraction, it will be 5 and 5 out of 6. Then there is your answer. Subtraction, I said with addition, it's easier to just group, but you can also use the other method whereby you have to convert. Now, we have 3 and 1/4 minus 2 and so forth. You can group if you want, but you have more steps to do. But let me show you this method. So from here, convert. Convert from a mixed number to improper. Let me just show you. We are given 2 and 1/3, and we are given 5 and 2/4. Let's convert this. If you want to convert a mixed number, you say a denominator times the whole number, then you add a numerator. Now your denominator will come back as it is, and then you calculate your numerator. You say 3 times 2, it's a 6, plus 1, it's a 7. So mixed number, improper fraction. Again, your denominator will come back as it is. Let me say denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. 4 times 5 is 20, alright, and then 20 plus a 2, and then you get 22. Now you come here. 4 times the 4 will come back as a denominator. 4 times